Come.
Nice. Woo! Beautiful.
Oh,
Ah, good. Steep.
very steep.
Welcome, guys. We're now heading to Che Bonit Waterfalls.
Yeah.
So let's see how beautiful this place is. It's so interesting, and this is my first time. First of all, shout out to Discover CP for taking me. And Ezekiel is with me right now. And now we're going to explore the Chibonet Waterfalls.
Waterfall, which is just few meters away from here.
We just did the quack quack something
Kapai
quack quack
Kakai Cave.
Kakwai.
Cave,
We
yeah.
just did the Kakwai cave,
That's
and the
the
viewpoint.
point. And
So
now,
now this is our last itinerary,
yeah,
going to the Chibonet Waterfalls. I'm interested. I'm going to dip in the water because I'm feeling hot and the water is so cold. La, la, la. This is the way going back.
Yes. This is the way taking us back to Forest Exploration Center. Yeah. Welcome to Bonnet Falls on Mount
Yes.
Terrible National Park.
The wood can really last, yeah? It's strong. But rich.
Wow, wonderful.
Woo! Welcome!
How a beautiful scenery is. You're most welcome. One of the unique feature found on top of Mount Elgon.
Nice! Chibonet Falls.
Yes.
So before you can even do that.
Yes, yeah, there is a way down. Wow.
the phone.
Let me take